Remember that tea video I did? Tea, get the water is boiling if you like, and enjoy. Well, now we're gonna do another one with a real darn tea kettle. How do you like that? For the KitchenAid, a 1.5 quart whistling tea kettle made of porcelain and enamel, not unlike a classy toilet seat. Haha! It's got a squeeze and pour handle, not unlike my ex-wife. Haha! A whistling feature. We're not just whistling Dixie when we're pouring ourselves a cup of tea, we're doing it for real. Richly colored porcelain enamel exterior and 1.5 quart capacity. Boy oh boy, that's enough for you and a friend, or 2 cups of tea if you're a heavy tea drinker. So let's get it open. Oh, well, I could use these someday. And here we go. Here's the baby itself. Oh, free tea. I'm just kidding. I put this in there. I already opened this before. Nice black porcelain finish. That's a pop calling a kettle black. Ah, the kitchen, I know thee well. Contrary to popular belief, the teapot itself does not brew the tea. The pot is simply a mechanism to boil the water in. You add the tea later, you steep it. So what we're going to do is fill that puppy with water right now. I've pre-cleaned this pot already. They suggest you do it with soap and water, warm and hot. Boil it, empty it, rinse it out. Because if you don't, you're going to have manufacturing garbage in here, and it doesn't taste good with tea. If it did, there would be a manufacturing garbage tea. So to get this started, pop open the nice, clever release cap. It fits snugly in. Get the water. Get the water in there. Some people complain it's difficult to get the water in there. It's not really. And then pop snugly back on. Ta-da! So here's a riddle I ask you. Which of the burners do we put the pot on? This one? No, there's something on it. If you had read the directions included in the box, you would know it's the one that fits closest to the size of the pot. This one? It should seem good, but it's a little bit too big. Ah, third one's a charm. Fits like a glove. Little Bear said just right. Yo, make sure when you do this, set that heat to medium or medium high, not high. You'll burn the porcelain right off his rumpus. Now we wait for that whistle to inform us that our delicious treat is just about done. Our tea for the day is going to be Earl Grey, the favorite of Captain Picard, and model and inspiration to young and old, kids and adults, women and men, because he knows how to command a starship, and what is this planet Earth but the starship Earth, like Disney likes to say. Now that's what I like to hear. Like Picard likes to say, Earl Grey, black, make it so, I just did. It's really hot. So I mean, this is a perfectly functional receptacle for making tea in, boiling hot tea. You heard that noise, it did its job, did it right. For $12.99, you can't be beat. You keep on using those pots and pans, you're going to end up spilling stuff on you. This thing is compact and efficient. As long as you take care of it, everything should be okay. Don't chip that porcelain by scraping it around or heating it too high. Clean this puppy after every meal, every tea meal, that is, Triscuits and biscuits, with soap and water, hot and boiling. Not boiling water, because that would be, you'd be making soap or something, I don't know. You ever boil soap? Maybe we should do that.